Welcome back to Joy Tutorials. Today I am going to take class 6 science subject lesson 2 playing with magnets. Today's our topic is playing with magnets. Here we are seeing in our school office this is pin holder. Okay, this is nothing but pin holder. Here we are observing sometimes why some pins are attached cap of the pin holder. We have some doubts. Okay, here only pins only attached, other things not attached. Why? What is the reason? Why pin holder only attached some pins? What it contains? We have get so many doubts. Okay, we are seeing in our houses almara, iron doors, fridges. We are seeing some of the things, stickers, metallic stickers. This will be attached. What is there? What it contains? Why metallic stickers only attached? Other things like plastics. This will be not attached. Why? Wooden things, plastic things not attached. Why only metallic stickers only attached? This iron doors, what it contains? We have a doubt. Okay. So we have to do some activity. First activity. Find out things. Find out things which are attached to the cap of the pin holder. That is our activity first. So here materials required. Materials required. Pin holder. Pin holder. Next pins, jump clips. Okay, that all you have to take out. And you have to find out things. That's why you have to take some paper pieces. Okay, these are paper pieces. Okay, chalk piece, eraser, sharpener, okay, nail, this pins. You have to take all things. You have to find out things. Materials which are attracted to cap of the pin holder. Okay, that is your activity. Then you have to do activity. Finally, you will find out only metallic things only, like iron nails, clips only attached. Okay, that only attached. Iron items only attached. What it contains? What it contains? It contains magnet. Okay, it contains magnet. Let's find out things which are attached to the pin cap of pin holder. That is our first activity. Next one, some iron or steel things only attached. Okay, what is the story of magnet? We have to see. What is the story of magnet? Here one shepherd is there. Na? Shepherd have goat, sheep. He is every day he is grazing his goats and sheep. He is going to hilly areas. He is crossing rivers. He is going to greenery areas. Every day he is doing roaming along with that goats and sheep. Okay, he is having one stick, wooden stick. That wooden stick have some iron cap. Wooden stick have iron cap. He is always touching with the stick to all stones and he is grazing. He keep that stick on river. Okay, he is touching all stones. One day suddenly something pull his stick. He gets surprised. What is there? Something else in that pond. Some are okay. Take out it. He gets some doubt. So he applied full force and he take out his stick. He noticed something attached. Something attached in his wooden stick. This have iron cap na? Okay, that is nothing but a stone. What is that? Lodestone. This have some attracting property. This person name what? Shepherd name Magnus. Okay, he is the inventor of magnet. That's why name came, magnet name came. That attracting stone is nothing but magnet. That is nothing but lodestone. This is natural stone. Natural magnet. This is the natural magnet. Nowadays we are using so many magnets that are not natural magnets. That are all are man-made magnets. Man-made magnets. that are different shapes. Okay, neodymium also man-made magnet. Currently we are using neodymium magnet. Next here different magnets, different shapes that are man-made magnets. Here magnets are they are using iron and steel, some of alloys like copper, nickel, that also they are used to prepare magnets to make powerful. Okay, here types of magnets. Types of magnets. Here first one is a bar magnet. First one is bar magnet. We are saying North Pole, South Pole. Okay, na? This is bar magnet. Next one, ring magnet. This is ring shape. Ring magnet. Next one, disc magnet. This is disc magnet. Next one, horseshoe magnet. This is horseshoe magnet. These are different types of magnet. Bar magnet, ring magnet, disc magnet, horseshoe magnet. These are different types of magnets.